How to buy crypto on crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. So in order to buy crypto on crypto.com, all you need to do is, first thing first, you'll have to log in into your crypto account. So for that, open up your crypto.com. Once you open up your application, it's going to direct you to the home page, and that's going to look something like this. So in order to buy crypto on crypto.com, go ahead and select the buy button located in the top right hand side corner. So before you do this procedure, make sure that you have enough funds or that you have already added a payment source. So once you've done that, next page is going to ask you to select the asset that you wish to buy. As soon as you're done selecting the asset, on the other interface, it's also going to ask you to enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy. Once you're done entering the amount, under it you'll need to enter in the payment method, and after that you need to confirm all of your information. So once again, there will be some sort of confirmation, so make sure that the information you've provided is correct and click the submit button. As soon as you do that, you'll be notified you have successfully placed an order for crypto. So within a couple of days later, you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully bought crypto on crypto.com. So in that way, you can buy crypto on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.